Doc, need one. Roger.
How you doing?
Fine, how about you?
May I ask what you're doing?
Filming?
What?
Anything I can see out here?
For what purpose?
I'm creating content for a story.
Sorry?
Creating content for a story.
What kind of story are you doing? If you don't mind me asking.
Oh, I know. I want to keep it secret right now, but I'm a photojournalist. And I'm creating content for a story.
Where are you local? Or
Yeah.
are you affiliated with any news
No,
agencies?
I'm independent.
Okay.
It's interesting. I enjoy doing it.
Okay. Well,
It's a beautiful day
it is.
since the heat wave.
How long should we anticipate seeing you out here?
Probably not too long.
Okay.
I just got here, so I just started.
Where are you? Can I ask you where you're from? Or will you
Craven
answer?
County.
Are you?
Yep. I'm a local person.
I'm Tony Cummins. I'm captain of narcotics and
Yep.
investigations.
I don't want to give my name at this point, but I'll give you a card possibly later.
Okay. All right. If we can help you, let us know.
All right. Thank you very much. I'm just going to be walking around.
Okay. You can remain in the public areas.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. How's it going? This is nice in here. I'm just filming. How's it going?
Good. What are you filming for?
Looking for content for a story. I'm a photojournalist.
I got you.
Trying to make you famous.
No, I don't want to be famous.
Yeah. Is it okay to go past the security gate?
Sir.
Today is starting out really interesting. Where's my kids? I've been sitting here waiting 2 hours for this. Well, they let me out at 8:30, and I called her, and...
Where are you going?
I'm going to, Batesville.
Okay.
Well, it's not actually Batesville, it's Warehouse Road. I live at the end of the Warehouse Road. Yeah, she lives in Spring Gardens, so, and he was in town at the security office, and then he had
Sir,
to
please
go,
don't film me.
then he had to go pick her up.
I'm going to just stay in the public areas.
Well, I'm gonna have to take your name and your number because there is a rule. They have to set up like an appointment with you to do these kind of things. And so
So I'll have to come back.
yes, sir. But I was told that if you leave your name and number, that they would get in touch with
Get
you.
my stuff back.
Okay. Did you want to do that,
No,
sir?
no thanks.
No. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. You have a good afternoon.
You too.
Take care. Y'all go right back through. You're ready to get to the magistrate.
How's it going, Ken? I wanted to ask someone about the drone law. Is there anybody here that would understand what it's talking about?
I'll see if I can find someone to come and talk to you.
Thank you.
About the drone law?
Yeah. About flying over jails and confinement facilities.
Not at his desk. At his desk.
Do you guys have court in here also? Yep. I see it. You have court in here also?
Hello, sir. I have a gentleman up front that wishes to speak with someone about the rules and regulations about the drone law. So just please give me a call back here at 6679 when you get my message. Thank you. Craven County Visitation, can I help you? No, you're right. I don't even ask for your extension. You're right. Let's see.
Here comes somebody there. I might be able to talk to him.
Hello, sir. Do you have just a few minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
The gentleman right over here. I just wanted to talk to someone about the rules with the driving law. And I tried to call several extensions.
What's your question, sir?
It's got an altitude listed on there and a horizontal distance.
Craven County.
How would you know if they're 251 foot above the jail? Because I'm being a little bit nitpicky, but I'm just interested because my drone will go 400 foot.
I think what the concern is just being over the property.
Yeah.
It's a state law. You
Yeah.
might want to reach out.
I have talked to some people about it already, but I just want to see what y'all thought, because if you see a drone going over,
If we see a drone coming over, then we're going to address it.
oh yeah, but you won't know how high it is unless you looked at my
Well, it's kind of, I would assume,
my records.
just from a layman's law enforcement standpoint, would be
Not to do it.
well, obviously it's against the law
Right.
to do it. And
I'm
I
talking
don't know
about
that when
above 250 foot.
you can't go over.
It says on there you can go over 250 foot.
Probably want to contact somebody with the legislature, some of their.
I have talked to Mike Speciale about it, and he was one of the
Well,
people.
he's not a legal expert for
Right.
general.
And then I talked to the engineer who actually put all this together, and I talked to him, but I didn't talk to him in specifics, and I just wanted to know, what would y'all do if you saw one fly over? You would just come and talk to me, but there's not much more that you could do about it.
It depended on what type of threat it was.
Right. And if there's nothing attached to it, you're just flying over, because it would be cool for me to get a good
I
video.
think we could estimate it, and we would depend upon our legal.
Maybe I should talk, if I get ready to do it, have someone stand beside me so that they could watch the altitude.
What are you talking about? Flying your drone over our jail?
Yeah, to get
I
a
don't think they'd do
video.
that. But that's, you know what? That's something you can do if you want to see what happens. I guess that's what you do. You do
Oh, I know.
things to
See, I
what the
wanted
response
to
would be.
talk to you about it and make sure that nobody got in trouble or nothing happened ahead of time, to
Well,
make
just-
sure I
Just look at the public notice and he.
stay within my boundaries.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.